Have you ever filled out a questionnaire and skipped questions you didn't want to answer? For example, you might skip the question about your salary. This can cause serious problems. When high-income people don't disclose their earnings, it leads to underestimating average salaries. Skipped questions are a big problem for us because they make the data incomplete and lower data quality. These are not just normal missing data. We call them special missing mechanism. They are often ignored, but handling them is very important. Patients who skip questions about their mental health might be the ones who need help the most. In my research, I developed methods to handle these special missing mechanisms. We start by looking at the complete parts of the data, learning information from them, and using that information to fill in the missing parts.